Hey guys, it's Susan here and Luke with the Outdoor Gear Review. Today we both are here to do some viewer mail episodes.
Woohoo!
You guys know that you love these episodes and we love viewer mail.
Thank you guys so very much, and gals of course, for your generosity, especially at the Christmas time that it is. How very cool. So we have 3 packages today. Let's start with the first one. Susie, go ahead and select.
All right. I'm gonna go with this one. So, do you want to make some predictions?
I'm assuming it's a book.
It looks like a book for sure.
If it's not a book, I'm going to be blown away.
All right, well, I guess we should tear into it.
Who's it from? Amazon.
Amazon. Oh, thank you, Amazon. I think we need Luke to get out his knife.
Ah,
All right.
Okay.
I definitely see.
I'll get the note.
Oh. So the book is Last Child in the Woods.
Mm-hmm.
Saving Our Children from a Nature Deficient Disorder. How interesting.
So this comes from Chuck from Indiana. Chuck, thank you very much, buddy. He says, Luke and Susie, hi. Hope that you enjoyed this book. Already you know about the message. He said he's going to send it, so don't be surprised. Merry Christmas to you and yours.
Thank you, Chuck. Merry
Yeah.
Christmas to you and your family.
Thank you so much, buddy. I am looking forward to reading this. All right, it is time for package number 2. Susie.
All right.
Beautiful Susie.
Vanna White
Banana White. Banana White.
Banana White of the Outdoor Gear Review. Is this Vanna White? I'm not sure. She flips letters.
What is a banana white?
Anyway.
Anyways, this comes from
Pam.
Pam.
All the way from somewhere in Australia.
Woohoo! Pam, thank you so very much. You are so sweet. I've had a great time talking to you on Facebook, by the way.
All right, I'll let you cut it open.
Okay. I don't know which way's the bottom. Otherwise, I would cut right into the bottom.
Were you cut here too?
Yeah.
Yeah. Dum dum.
Predictions.
The label gives it away.
Oh, it does?
Yeah.
Oh, she already knows. I haven't paid attention to the label.
When you ship to a different country,
Ah.
they make you write exactly what's on it.
Right.
So okay, you ready?
It's not a severed head. I know that much.
No. Ready?
Yep.
Dum dum dum.
Oh, cool.
We have some camping food.
Sweet.
A berry smoothie.
Wait, banana smoothie. Banana
Oh.
Susie.
That was weird.
Fruit smoothies made with real fruit, combined with creamy ice cream to give you a tasty smoothie on the run. Awesome.
I
Wow.
haven't seen these before. You can
No.
just add cold water and nice.
Wow. Pam, thank you so much.
Oh, you're gonna like this.
Oh, what's that?
Roast lamb and
Oh,
vegetables.
snap.
Backcountry cuisine.
Wow.
Sounds good.
Sounds really good.
Oven baked lamb and mint gravy with vegetables and creamy mashed potatoes.
Wow. Pam, thank you so very much.
That is so sweet.
Awesome. Banana. Banana Susie.
Banana.
So when it comes to the conditions today, as you can see, it's nice and snowy up here. Temperatures around 28 degrees. We have about 10-mile-an-hour winds, so it's fairly chilly on the face. Susie was just commenting about how it's hard for her to talk because her mouth is frozen.
I get cold and my mouth will not work correctly. So
Doesn't work. That's bad. Last package comes from Seacombs.
Seacombs.
Seacombs. Seacombs Run. I suspect that this is a book.
Felt like a book.
Yep.
The book is called Blue Smoke.
Whoa.
Wow. Intimate disclosures in poetry and prose.
Ah, and it was written by Seacombs.
It was. Oh, okay. Oh, he wrote in it. Okay. For Luke, fellow outdoorsman and patriot, many thanks for your devoted service to our republic and to the bushcraft community, both military and civilian.
Do what I can.
I
brother.
watch your YouTube channel very frequently and learn so much from every viewing. Keep up the great work at TOGR. Big hugs to Susie. Oh, thank you. You guys rock. Best holiday wishes to you both. Peace and aloha, Craig Combs.
Ah, aloha. All right, he's in
Awesome.
Hawaii then.
Yeah.
We're coming to see you, buddy.
It's got to be warmer there,
It
right?
has to be. So check this out. Many years ago, Susan and I had an incredible experience. Imagine being in a helicopter, no doors, right over the volcano there at Big Island, and you could feel the intense heat radiating off of this erupting volcano. That was one of the coolest things I've ever done.
It really was. It was for me too, the coolest thing ever.
We never had a honeymoon or anything like that because we didn't have the money. So for like 20 years we saved up so that we could go on that trip.
It was like the honeymoon that we never had.
Right.
And we did it close to like our wedding anniversary, and I remember everyone was like, "Oh, that's so cool, you're newlyweds," and we're like, no,
not at all.
It was really fun.
It was amazing.
Yeah, it was amazing.
Amazing. Anyway, so Craig, thank you so very much for sharing your book with us. Cannot wait to read some of your poetry. It's an offbeat narrative on weathering the whims of the daily unknown. Sweet. Hi, Shorty. Somehow I grew about 4 inches. It's never too late. Follow your dreams. I don't know what I'm talking about.
Okay, let's just end the video.
Okay. Everyone, thank you all so much for your generosity. Merry Christmas to everyone. Happy holidays. Wow. Thank you so much. We really do appreciate every single one of you. You guys have filled our lives with so much joy over the years, and we do appreciate it.
Definitely.
Yep. So, to the 3 individuals, Pam, Craig,
And Chuck. Yes.
Thank you so very much.
Thank you guys.
Now, before we end this episode, we have to do a small merch plug. Ooh, check this out.
Ooh.
Yeah, right here. We have zipper pulls, we have patches, we have some water bottles coming, and more. So if
And stickers.
And stickers too?
Yep.
Yep. So if you want to support the Outdoor Gear Review, because we are agenda free, we do not try to sell products, we don't accept payments from companies for purchase reviews and whatnot. We just don't do any of that stuff. 100% agenda free. We make all of our money through ad revenue on YouTube, through Patreon donators, and from small donations for buying patches and zipper pulls and whatnot.
Right, we had some merch printed up for you guys because you constantly ask, and we still get messages and emails saying, hey, how about a zipper pull? So I don't think most of you guys realize we already have the zipper pulls and patches, stickers.
That's my fault.
Yeah.
I hate selling stuff.
I know, we don't really want to push it, but
I don't even want to mention it, but there's so many asking for it.
yeah, it's there on the website if you guys want it. Help yourself.
Yeah. Everybody, thank you so much. Strength and honor. See ya.
Bye.
Banana Susie. I want to try
Banana Luke.
that. Whoa, you shouldn't have gone there. Dirty girl.